هلو جايز الفيديو بالانجلش. تحيات الفيديو التالي بالعربيه، الفيديو بالانجليزي بتجدون الرابط في الوصف اسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to detect if an image is AI generated or deep fake edited. Okay, so before we go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, comment, choose any number and a random number from 1 to 10, leave it in comments as a support for this channel.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh, information technology specialist.
خليل شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Khalil Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Khalil Shreateh, Palestinian programmer Khalil Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
So as usual, guys, you go to Google and search for where's my keyboard? Where's my keyboard? My keyboard. Okay, yeah, here my keyboard was hiding behind. You go to Google and search for Shreateh apps. I'm gonna show you how to use the app on both on PC and on your smartphone, on your mobile phone. Okay, so at the first I'm gonna show you how to use it on PC or on desktop browser. So go and search for Shreateh apps. Make sure to choose my website, which is khalil-shreateh.com, because I have another website in Arabic, which is shreateh.net. You choose this one, free giveaway applications, khalil-shreateh.com. Once you are here, you will will visit my sub website, which is social applications. You see here in the URL, social applications. If you got some ads, click on close to close the ad, or you can follow the ad actually if you want it or you like it. I have several ads. I have many ads. I have like over 50 plus apps on my website. You can navigate to Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever apps you want, you can choose. But in this tutorial, I'm talking about web apps and AI deepfake detector. You go to web apps, hover your mouse, and then choose AI Deepfake Detector. Once you are here, scroll down to this box where you can drag and drop an image or select an image and then analyze it. So let's go ahead and select an image here. Once you are here, you click on this box and choose an image. I'm gonna choose this image I created using ChatGPT, and let's say what this app can analyze and give us some results. Prove you are not a robot. Click analyze. Sorry, my voice. Sorry, analyzing image. Please wait. And as you see here, it says that AI generated. Gen AI, it means that generated using AI 99%, and face manipulation is 1%. And look at this result diffusion. GPT, it says that this image has been generated by ChatGPT. So here's the result, as you see here, all these results. Let me select another image here from here. I'm gonna select this person. I got this image from Google. Okay, here, this image by Google search. So I'm gonna test this image, and I'm not a robot, and then analyzing the image, and it's still here, likely real. This image looks like it's real, not even generated by AI, not even face manipulation, is 0%. Let me try another image, which is this one here, and I'm not a robot. Analyze. And it says that this image is AI generated and being generated by Reeve here. Okay, so this is how to use the app on desktop. So how I can use this app from my smartphone, from mobile, from your smartphone mobile. Let me just shrink this like this. Okay, and choose here not a desktop website, mobile website. If you open this, or you open my website from your smart device, you're gonna see the menu as this here, a hamburger menu. You click on the hamburger menu from the top corner. You will find all the apps. The app we are using here is, you go to web apps, okay? And from web apps here, okay. Here is our app, AI Deepfake Detector. You select the AI Deepfake Detector, and same thing. You need to drag and drop an image or choose an image, and then prove that you are not a robot, and hit the analyze button. But make sure, guys, this app or all my website won't work if you are using an ad blocker. Make sure to turn off the ad blocker and refresh the page again. If you're using ad blocker, my website won't work. It's gonna give you an error. Disable the ad blocker, and here's the result, AI generated image. This is for the app on how to use the AI detector. If you want to navigate or browse my website without ads, you can contact me on this email. It's $3 per month. This is for now, guys. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends and sub my YouTube channel. Okay, for my YouTube channel, guys, don't get lost. Wait. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Please, give me a second. If you go to YouTube, my YouTube channel, which is you just search for Shreateh. Okay. I don't want you to get lost on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, which is Shreateh in Arabic and English. If you want to browse my YouTube channel, don't go to the videos here. You're gonna get lost in this part, all these videos, because most of them are in Arabic, mixed English and Arabic. You go to playlists. Okay, once you are in playlists here, you can select the English one, English playlist. Mixed reality is for Arabic and English. Deep dive podcast in English. Whereas information security is in English one. And social media, where this video you are watching right now, I'm gonna place it in this playlist. Social media, okay. Tutorials mixed, and here Facebook extensions in English. 40 videos for Facebook extensions developed by me. This is how you can browse English videos on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, share with your friends, comment any random number below in the comment as support this channel, and see you in future tutorials. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.